In this tutorial, you will learn how to link your Facebook page to Instagram. So if you want to connect your Facebook page to Instagram, all you need to do is to open your Facebook page on the Facebook app, and then click here on the Manage Account. On the Manage Account page, click on the Settings option here. On the Settings page, here you can see the option Linked Accounts. So click on it. Then click on Instagram here. Now click on the Connect account. Here you can see that you can only connect your Instagram professional account with your Facebook page. So if you have a professional account, then just click on the Continue option. Log into your Instagram account and your Facebook page will be connected to Instagram. Here you can see that my Facebook page has been connected with my Instagram account. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe us for more. Thanks for watching.